Tired of staring at that pathetic gold count? Let's fix that. Step 1. Daily and event quests. These are your bread and butter. Knock them out every single day. Seriously, every single day. Focus on the ones that give the most gold per energy spent. Read the quest descriptions carefully. Next up, arenas. Even if you're just starting out, participate in the lower tier arenas. The gold rewards add up quickly, especially if you hit milestones. Plus, you get battle chips which you can use for arena crystals which, you guessed it, can contain gold. Mastery settings also play a crucial role. Unlock and max out the greater strength mastery. This gives you a flat attack boost. More attack means faster fights in quests and arenas, which means more gold, faster. Now, the big one. Selling champions. Duplicate champions are key. Sell your 1-star and to start duplicates immediately. Sell your 3 and 4 stars if you need the gold. Don't be afraid to make tough choices. Finally, always be on the lookout for special events and calendar rewards. Kabam often throws out gold as lock-in bonuses and event rewards. Don't miss out on these free gold opportunities. Follow these steps consistently and watch that gold pile grow. Now go out there, champion, and get that gold.